Have you ever wondered what it really takes to build a muscular, powerful physique that turns heads and stands out? The truth is, becoming truly muscular isn't just about lifting heavy weights or spending hours in the gym. It's a combination of smart training, proper nutrition, consistent recovery, and lifestyle habits that work together to maximize muscle growth. Many people think that simply lifting weights every day will automatically produce big, defined muscles. But in reality, achieving a muscular body requires a more strategic approach that challenges your muscles, fuels them properly, and allows them enough time to recover and adapt. One of the most important factors in building muscle is progressive strength training. This concept involves gradually increasing the stress placed on your muscles over time, either by lifting heavier weights, performing more repetitions, or increasing the intensity of your workouts in some other measurable way. Muscles are incredibly adaptable. They respond to the challenge you place on them by growing stronger and larger. Without progressive overload, your body will simply maintain its current level of strength and size, and growth will stagnate. To maximize results, it's essential to focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once. Movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, overhead presses, and pull-ups recruit more muscles, burn more energy, and stimulate greater hormonal responses than isolation exercises like bicep curls alone. Compound lifts form the foundation of a muscular physique because they build strength and mass in a way that is both functional and visually impactful. Nutrition is another crucial pillar in the pursuit of muscular development. Protein, in particular, plays a key role because it provides the amino acids necessary for repairing and building muscle tissue. After a challenging workout, your muscle fibers experience microscopic damage, and protein is required to repair these fibers and make them stronger. Consuming sufficient protein daily is essential. Without it, your body will struggle to synthesize new muscle tissue, and progress will slow. It is generally recommended that those seeking serious muscle growth consume between 1.6 and 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. This can be achieved through a combination of high-quality protein sources such as lean meats, eggs, fish, dairy products, beans, legumes, and protein supplements if necessary. However, protein is only part of the equation. Calories overall play a significant role because even with adequate protein, your muscles cannot grow if you are not consuming enough energy to fuel the repair and growth processes. Carbohydrates provide the energy required to power through intense workouts and replenish glycogen stores, while healthy fats are critical for hormone production, including testosterone, which is one of the key hormones influencing muscle growth. Therefore, a well-rounded diet that includes adequate protein, sufficient carbohydrates, and healthy fats is essential for maximizing your muscle building potential. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. While training hard and eating well are fundamental, another aspect that is often underestimated is recovery. Muscles do not grow during workouts. They grow afterward, during periods of rest when your body repairs the micro-tears in muscle fibers and strengthens them. Overtraining can be counterproductive, leading to fatigue, hormonal imbalances, and even injury, which will slow or halt progress. This is why prioritizing sleep and rest is critical for anyone seeking to become muscular. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, and ensure that each muscle group gets at least 48 hours of rest before being trained intensely again. Recovery also involves paying attention to stress management and other lifestyle factors, because chronic stress and inadequate sleep can interfere with hormone levels and reduce the body's ability to grow muscle effectively. Consistency is the hidden secret behind all successful muscle-building journeys. While some people may see rapid improvements at the beginning of their training, long-term results are the product of sustained effort over months and years. Muscles do not grow overnight, and shortcuts rarely work in the long term. By maintaining a regular training schedule, continuously challenging your muscles through progressive overload, and sticking to a diet that supports growth, you create the conditions for continuous improvement. Tracking your progress can be an invaluable tool. By recording the weights you lift, the reps you complete, and the foods you consume, you gain a clear picture of what works and what needs adjustment. Over time, these incremental improvements compound into significant gains in muscle mass and strength. Supplements, while not necessary, can sometimes enhance results when combined with proper training and nutrition. Creatine monohydrate, for example, is one of the most researched and effective supplements for increasing strength and muscle mass. It works by helping your muscles produce more energy during high-intensity exercise, allowing you to lift heavier and train harder. Other supplements such as beta-alanine, branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, or protein powders can support your efforts, but it's important to remember that they are adjuncts, not replacements for the fundamentals of consistent training, adequate nutrition, and proper recovery. Another often overlooked aspect of becoming muscular is mindset and mental discipline. Building a muscular physique is not simply a physical endeavor, it is also a mental commitment. Staying motivated, pushing through plateaus, and maintaining discipline with workouts and diet over the long term requires focus and resilience. Many people give up too soon because they expect overnight transformations, but understanding that muscle growth is a gradual process and embracing the journey is key to success. Patience, perseverance, and a willingness to continually challenge yourself are just as important as the workouts you perform or the meals you eat. In conclusion, achieving a muscular physique is not a matter of luck or genetics alone. It is the result of a carefully balanced approach that combines progressive strength training, adequate protein and nutrition, consistent recovery and sleep, and long-term commitment. By focusing on compound lifts and challenging your muscles through progressive overload, fueling your body with the nutrients it needs, allowing sufficient time for recovery, and maintaining consistency and discipline, you can maximize your muscle growth potential. Supplements may help to enhance results, but they cannot replace the foundational principles of training, nutrition, and rest. Ultimately, building muscle is a holistic process that integrates physical, nutritional, and mental strategies. And those who embrace this approach consistently over time are the ones who achieve the muscular, strong, and defined physique they desire. Remember, it is not a sprint, but a journey, and each small step forward adds up to remarkable results over time. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.